Hi, my name is Jason. I'm here from MrSewer.com, www.mistersewer.com, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. 1-800-GOT-ROOTS, 412-498-1164 as well. I'm here today to talk to you about pipe lining and trenchless, no-dig, or minimally invasive sewer repair. Assuming that we've visited your home and determined that there is a problem with a sewer line that is clay or has a partial collapse, root infestation, infiltration, exfiltration, we can basically send a pipe liner from a shallow access point at the home down the sewer pipe with one pit to wherever it connects into the main and stop. Essentially one-piece liner that permanently seals away root intrusion, increased flow rates, cracked or broken pipe, partial collapses. Is really a permanent fix. Pipe lining, also known as cured in place pipe, is by no means a band-aid or a pipe painting. It is a permanent fix. This material is guaranteed up to 50 years. What happens is the material is loaded with resin on a simple calculation based per foot. The liner is impregnated with a certain type of roller, similar to a pasta roller, that ensures that the appropriate amount of resin is impregnated into the liner. We then load the liner into an inversion machine such as we have here and fold a cuff on it and essentially fold it inside out on itself. So the outside of the sewer, which is very smooth if you could feel it, and the resin impregnated inside flips inside out like a sleeve. And that continually happens down the sewer main to a predetermined length. Now we determine those lengths with a video camera system such as we have here. Once the liner is launched into the sewer, we would launch a second calibration hose or cow tube, which is simply like an inner tube, inflate it into the line, and form that pipe into a perfectly round, takes the place of the host pipe, as you see here. This is a piece of SDR, but simply an example. It is the exact dimension of a new pipe that you would lay in ground. It can stand alone, it can bridge holes, gaps, it really solves a laundry list of problems. If you're having root intrusion, if you're having decreased flow rates because the pipe is old or cast iron and just has problems, pipe lining is your answer. It completely eliminates any need for excavation on the sewer line except a small and shallow access point on the smallest portion of the line, which is usually in a basement or just outside a garage, and you're left with a rejuvenated sewer line that's warranted up to 50 years and guaranteed not to clog. And furthermore, you've done nothing to your yard, to your driveway. You don't have to do any seeding, grass. You don't have to bring big machinery in. It's really a minimally invasive method to replace the sewer line. These products have been being used in municipalities since the late 70s, and it hasn't been for some years that they've been released, probably about 5 to 10 years released in the residential market. Unfortunately in Pittsburgh, a lot of contractors, besides the big name guys that use this stuff, it's a technical job, and we've gone through rigorous training to learn how to perform these jobs. Should we put a liner into a sewer and we have problems, we would guarantee the work, and if dig up is needed to be done, we would obviously perform that under the same estimate that we've provided to do the liner. Liner can be sold by the foot, so if you have problems that exist in your sewer line that are 10 to 20 feet, 30 feet out from the house, but the rest of the sewer line is okay, we can sell you that predetermined length. This material is sold by the foot. We have to purchase it at a set price and sell it at a fair and honest price, and it really comes down to how much of it do we use. So these are some of the tools that we use to do that type of equipment. There's a couple more involved, such as the roller and the air compressor, but at the end of the day, it is a really great service to provide to our customers to be able to repair a sewer without digging. A lot of townships in and around the city of Pittsburgh are leaning towards inflow and infiltration. What that is water that invades the sewer because cracked, broken, or leaky pipes, and it basically has to be treated at a wastewater plant. Lining, such as townships like Fox Chapel, O'Hara, South Fayette, is an acceptable form of repair and replacement. As a matter of fact, before you sell a home in O'Hara, you have to address sewer problems if the township finds them. Lining is the perfect candidate. Before lining can happen, however, we have to perform a camera inspection. That camera inspection can happen for a small fee. If you have the repairs done by Mr. Sewer, we refund that cost of that camera charge to you. So we have to be able to get into the pipes to be able to determine its candidacy for lining. We would love an opportunity to look at your job if you're having sewer problems, and we really believe that cured in place pipe liners, no dig, trenchless sewer repair, whatever's out there on the web for you to search, this is one of the best tried and true methods for repair. If you are experiencing sewer problems and you think that lining would be something of interest to you, please call us first and we'll come out and give you an evaluation and determine if it has candidacy to be lined. You can visit us up on our website at www.mistersewer.com or call us at 1-800-GOT-ROOTS or 412-498-1164. Thank you and have a good day.